And of course, if you were wondering, of course I have my sipper, and of course I'm enjoying the complimentary soft drinks that come with purchasing a sipper here from Chef Art Smith's Homecoming at Disney Springs. This is me back here at Chef Art Smith's Homecoming for brunch. I'm having the ultimate breakfast sandwich, which is a perfectly fried egg atop a maple pork sausage patty, crisp bacon, and griddled country ham. And yes, all of those are there, and they all work together well. It's topped with melted pimento cheese. Not as much. If you really love pimento cheese, it's not quite as much as you would expect. There's a little bit in between. There's tomato bacon jam, which works really well with this, and it's served on toasted sourdough with a side of cheesy grits. So basically, it's an excuse to throw a bunch of breakfast stuff inside 2 sourdough, pieces of bread and eat them and enjoy. So far, it's been really good, and so that's our experience so far. There's also the Granddaddy plate, which is more of a traditional meal. It comes with fresh fruit, ham, a cheddar drop biscuit, all these other things. Based on the look of my dining companion, it's apparently really good. So I'll give you an update on that. And of course, there'll be a blog at Main ST Magic at some point in the process. We completed our entrees. The ultimate breakfast sandwich is exactly what you would expect it to be. It tasted wonderful. The sausage has that nice smoky, peppery flavor that you're looking for. It pairs pretty well with the pimento cheese that's in there. I mean, this is a creation that involves, quality ingredients, but it's probably not going to make your cardiologist feel good. But that's just one of those things you need to bear in mind when you come to Homecoming. And maybe you can hope that maybe vacation calories don't count. You can enjoy it while you're here. The portion size for both items that we got was really good. Do bear in mind when you order the Granddaddy plate, it comes with 2 sides. Even though the menu says it only comes with grits, it comes with grits and fresh fruit. You can substitute the sides. I don't remember what the substitutions are, but generally just look at the menu and see what the other options are. You substitute. That's a general rule all the time at Homecoming. You can substitute pretty much anything, anytime. Okay, that's going to conclude our time in visiting Disney Springs with Chef Art Smith's Homecoming. I mean, we had a wonderful meal. We always have a wonderful meal here. I know there's been experiences where people are like, well, I didn't like this and I didn't like that. I totally get that. But as a general rule, this is one of the most consistent restaurants in all of Disney Springs. There's a reason why it's the hardest reservation to get. But if you want to come to brunch at Disney Springs, we got an advanced dining reservation. But those can be tricky to get. I mean, there is plenty of space at the patio. There's plenty of space to walk up. I see colleagues that should have better access who are standing in line waiting an hour to walk up. But you can go to the outdoor patio that I showed you earlier, and you can walk up and sit. There's lots of ways to eat the brunch at Disney Springs at the Homecoming location if you just take your time. But it would be nice to get an advanced dining reservation, which we had. But don't give up if you can't get one. Having said that, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Once again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It does help the channel grow and all the things involved with that. And as always, eat like you mean it.